Hello, my name is James Moore and I'm the Director of Online Learning for the College of Business at DePaul University in Chicago. If you visit Chicago, you have a 1 in 1,000 chance of seeing me spitting on tourists and small children. At the 25th Annual Conference on Distance Teaching and Learning, I presented the workshop Barefoot Vodcasting, a comprehensive lecture capture without support. The concept was to provide practical and workable ways to record classroom content, lectures, and student feedback for educators who did not have institutional support. And here on screen, you see it in a vastly compressed format. 11 years later, the need for do-it-yourself solutions for classroom capture is still there, but the technology has changed. Educators are increasingly pushed to do more with less. This session briefly looks back to the past and then covers low-cost and easily implemented ways to record content, no matter where. There are legal and pedagogical implications to recording classroom content, so we cover that and appropriate solutions for educators to adopt. Anyway, I hope to see you at the conference. This is a topic that's very close to my heart, and I'd love to talk to you about it.